recording it, so I'm getting all the voices.
Is that something like a...
What
is it falling?
No.
It's just...
What the heck?
Can
Is
you
it a
see that
disc?
there?
Yep.
Is it a disc?
Looks like a white blood cell. A white red blood cell is how I should put it.
Oh, it's turning.
Is it a satellite?
No.
No way.
It's the most legit UFO I've seen.
Whoa. A
It's
UFO.
the most
It's
legit
it's a
UFO I've seen.
Totally. Yeah, look. It's a... See it?
What the fuck is that?
It's a UFO. Is it morphing, Scott, in
No,
the lens?
no, it's holding steady.
Are you videoing
Oh
it?
yeah, I'm at 57 seconds now. But all this walking on this plank floor is a pain. I need to go down to the grass.
Oh, it's doing... There's something weird. It's like... something's coming out of it. Oh, yeah. What the heck?
We'd have to come to America to see UFO.
Oh, you, especially here.
Yeah, I heard about this place.
Oh, we have a bunch of them.
I'm gonna
What's
go down.
that? That's interesting. Oh, where there's one, there's... Oh, another one! Scott!
Oh,
There's two. Where there's one, there's more.
Yep. Just able to
Look at him. What do you got up there?
UFO.
Two UFOs. He's filming them. One right there to the left.
I see a white dot.
Yeah, and there's one here. It was getting bigger and got smaller. And
Where's the one? Zoom back out.
They're just stationary.
Hey, Donna! Hey, Dave! Lynette, look up!
Where's the second one, Donnie?
To your left.
To your left, over above that
There's
tree.
two of them.
Above that
Oh,
tree.
I see. Okay.
Are you able to telescopic it a little bit?
I don't think they're drones. Scott has them on the lens, and he sees they're like this circular...
They look like a red blood cell, but white, and they are identical.
Blood cell.
They are identical.
Yeah, they look.
A UFO.
Oh, of course.
No, there's these weird... There's this weird thing morphing out of them every
Lynette, come here.
Really?
Lynette, come here.
You can see it.
Can you see?
Well, this is a high-powered... This
See
is
it?
bringing it in close.
It's getting weird out here.
Hi.
Hey, Lynette.
Can I have a hug?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you.
Yeah, and two of them basically in the same spot.
I'm not saying it's aliens.
Are they like an orb? Came out of it and went back into it. You gotta watch it. It kind of did this more, and it got real small. Now it's getting bigger again.
What do you think, Alden?
What would you guess the elevation of it? Scott?
We're within 10 miles. I don't think we're that high, to be honest with you. I really don't think we're within more than 10 miles.
Look, Dara. Huh? There's two of them.
Yeah, we don't know what that
I was cute. Rashawn has like these awesome binoculars. That's gonna be like. Oh yeah, look, you can see it through his camera. Yeah. Oh, Rashawn has like this neat.
It is not a drone. That is. Look at.
Wait, what is that?
Oh.
Wait, I lost it. There it is. There's one there.
Yeah, and there's one to the left.
It does look like it has something going on in the middle of it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does this weird thing.
It's not. It's kind of.
Oh,
like
see, that one got
floating or
longer.
moving.
See it, Scott?
It's like floating or moving or something, though, or maybe I.
Well, it got bigger and then it got smaller, and then this thing went
How
like
can
this,
they
and
have
then it
to be
went
drones?
back
Like,
in.
how can they just hover like that?
That's
what
what
I'm
I'm
How
saying.
can the
wind.
UFO?
What do you mean, don't drones?
Are you kidding me?
No, that's the question. What makes you feel more comfortable?
Hovering is not a
UFO.
challenge.
I've seen UFOs.
Hovering,
It's a UFO.
I'll take my almond-eyed granddad instead of Uncle Sam every time.
Your almond-eyed granddad?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Oh, see?
I need like a tripod.
Look at that, crazy.
I wonder if that plane can see them. There's a plane over there.
trees.
real clearly?
No, I can't see it at all right now.
Okay, I'll bring you some more.
Hey, Bear! What do you want?
See
I'm
that
sorry,
hole
I
in
can't
the
see it
middle?
at all. I'm sorry.
It's got a hole in the middle.
It does?
That's amazing.
Well, they're real.
Yes, but why would they be appearing now? What's the date?
Today is 3 October.
10/3/14.
Scott.
10.
What?
We got a couple of orders up.
Alright.
What are we looking at? Somebody said there's some UFOs over here.
See him?
Yeah,
Oh,
it
yeah,
would be
there he
nice
is.
to have your telescope right now.
Two
So
of them.
much.
Yeah.
I see one of them.
We're going just off the top of the trees.
They have a hole in the center.
They do have a hole in the center.
There's that,
And
Bob.
did you
Why
see
can
that
I
thing
not see
moving?
the other one?
No.
They're doing something.
Oh, there we are.
Maybe they're the Ananuki. They're supposed to be coming back about it around this time.
It can't be a weather balloon.
Well, who?
A weather balloon
No.
cannot remain stationary.
No, I don't think any. I don't even think anybody's saying that.
Somebody did earlier.
I think it'd be hauling ass if it was a balloon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be moving.
Living
The
sting.
thing is, it's not a drone because a drone cannot. It's propelled by
There's a hole in the
helicopter.
center.
Could we go use your telescope?
Walking from Casita the other night at night. That's a comet.
Which is a comet?
But 3 comets?
That's the ice trail. Yeah, sure. You know how many freaking comets there are in the universe, bro?
Hey, put a comet.
Contrail.
Add it on here.
You mean
You
contrail?
can see it right here.
You're a meteorologist. You should